Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful, amazing in your life. This is your bonus love messages for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. And please also check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. So, Aquarius, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's start your bonus love messages and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. So let's start your reading, and thank you so much for giving lots of love to my channel for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what are the messages, what are the bonus messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the message. Okay. Wow, beautiful Aquarius. You can have a look on your main reading and the extended reading too, Aquarius. They are the same energies which I am getting for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having birth. You new beginnings are going to start in your life. Why I'm saying it, Aquarius? There is death card here and there is fool. So you are ending something, the fool and the death card. You're taking a leap of faith, Aquarius, and that's beautiful. You are taking a leap of faith into something, and there is a death card. Natural endings abound. Take care of with your health. You are ending something and you're starting new life, and there is love and there is lovers. Okay, both are there. Love surrounds all your connection. Move forward positively in all areas of your life. So you are taking a leap of faith in your love life. Okay, you're taking a leap of faith in that. And there is reconciliation here because there is lover, unity, and the celebrations. Beautiful message for you today. There are two paths ahead. Be care true to yourself, a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So some of you are going to reconcile with your divine counterpart, with your soulmate, okay, with your life partner soulmate. And there is celebrations. Okay, you are ready to bring new and exciting things in your life, and that's beautiful energy. The Fool card is the main energy for you today, Aquarius. In your main reading too, I was getting the Fool card, and in the oracle also I got the Fool. So have the courage to embrace change and take risk and be adventurous. You are taking a leap of faith in your love life, and you are believing that whatever is happening for a good reason. I trust divine, I trust universe, and you're moving forward in your love life, and that's beautiful. Some of you are getting reconciliation with your divine counterpart, and there is something which you need to celebrate. Celebration is there. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Angel of love. Yes, there is lots of love coming your way now. Okay, let me see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver. What are the messages which are important? A caring connection. Okay, so let me know what are the messages which are important to deliver. Help me out to deliver the message. Help me out. 1 minute. I need to adjust myself. Okay. Yeah, this is better. Help me out to deliver. What are the important messages? Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, and sixth chakra, Archangel Metron. Okay. Aquarius, your third eye is getting more open. Okay, you are getting more intuitive than before. And in that main reading also I added activation oracle. In that I got to know that your third eye chakra is getting activated. Okay, you're getting more intuitive than before. Okay, and the sixth chakra, yes, clarity of thought, personal Your third eye chakra is getting open, that is for sure. You're getting more intuitive than before. Your solar plexus chakra, your third eye is getting more open. The beautiful message for you, a very strong, powerful message is there for you, that your third eye is getting more open than before. You're getting more intuitive. Help me out to deliver the message. Second chakra, Archangel Ariel, and there is woman holding a heart. So there is someone who wants to give you heart. Gender is not specific here. Okay, so there is someone who wants to give you a heart to you. Yes, there is intimacy and creativity. Is you're getting more active to creativity. You're getting more active to creativity and intimacy. Okay, your second chakra is getting open now. Beautiful message. Help me out to deliver the message. Beautiful. The best, positive, luckiest card in this tarot deck is Cornucopia. Abundance of everything. You are blessed, Aquarius. Abundance of money, abundance of love, abundance of everything. Cornucopia is the fortunate card in this deck. Your fortune is coming towards you. Yeah, see, community is working towards you, and there is journey. You're starting a new chapter of your life, Aquarius, or you are going to do some kind of traveling or journey. But if you're not going to travel, then you're starting a new journey of your life. Community is working with you. The divine, the God, the angels, the fairy, all are working in your favor. You do not have to worry at all. Right now, you just need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Okay, take care of yourself. There is someone around you who wants to give you some kind of love offer. Okay, they want to offer their love to you. They want to offer their heart to you. Okay, so you need to rest and rejuvenate yourself, because you are going to start a new journey of your life. I love this card. How beautiful this card is. And there is, can you see, there is a light here, and this girl is traveling towards you. You are traveling here. You are going to start a new journey of your life, and don't worry, it's a beautiful journey of your life, because community is working towards you. Your third eye is getting more open. You are getting more intuitive than before. Okay, there is someone who wants to give you their heart. And can you see, I can tell you like this, 1144 time, it's number synchronicity 1144 is there. There is a soulmate for you, Aquarius. This is your soulmate, life partner, soulmate. You're getting more creative than before. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Okay, here it is. I was finding my deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Communication is the key, is the message I'm getting for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please help me out to deliver the message. Balance, spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Okay, what are the messages? Give me the important message. Nothing is yet in stone. Mutable moon. Okay, nothing is yet in stone. This was the message I was finding out while shuffling too. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Okay, there is something in which you are getting an end of a tough cycle. Okay, the tough cycle is going to end, Aquarius. Do not have to worry. You do not have to worry. Okay, there is an ending in your tough cycle, and your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon and Taurus. Any other message? A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Then there is a time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo again. Okay. Help me out to deliver any weather message. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Okay. You have to bring love into the situation. Then there is be bold and make the first move. There is something, Aquarius, in which you need to take the first move. Okay. So be bold and make the first move. Anything else? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having a time for healing. Okay. The next message for you is, what do you need to release? Is there anything, Aquarius, that you need to release? So release as soon as possible. Okay, there is something which you need to release. Ask yourself that what is there something which I need to release. Okay, then there is look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Yesterday only I was talking on phone and I was like, look at the bigger picture. So look at the bigger picture, Aquarius. You just need to focus on the bigger picture. Whatever is happening right now, it's okay. Just have to focus on the bigger picture. Then again this message has come. 1144 was the recording reading time. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. Communication is the key. Okay. And you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe. So the signs which you can be dealing with are Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, Libra, Virgo, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Gemini and Cancer. Okay, so there is Virgo, there is Pisces, Capricorn, Taurus, Libra, Virgo, Aquarius, Sagittarius, Gemini and Cancer. So these are the signs which I am seeing right now. They can be a sign which you are dealing with. Love is coming your way, Aquarius. Open up, and I'm proud of you, Aquarius, because you are taking a leap of faith. Okay, that's why I am telling you that I am proud of you. And that's a quality of Aquarius, that you always believe. What? See, love was coming again. So you always believe people, always trust people, and that's very good. When you trust people, and it's good. Nothing is coincidence in life, Aquarius. One thing I need to tell you, yesterday I posted a post on my Instagram and on my WhatsApp, put a status on my WhatsApp that there is no coincidence in your life that you met people by accident. There is always a blessing or a lesson. Okay, so take whatever it is. New beginnings. Okay, perseverance is your first message. Okay, then there is patience. That's what I told you, that you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Then there is spiritual career. Yes, Aquarius, you have a spiritual career. Some of you can be a healer, and again the message has come for you. Leadership. Okay, and love. I was telling you that this message has coming again and again. Love message is there. Love card has come again for you. So love is there definitely for you, Aquarius. Okay, some of you can start your spiritual career. Yes, there is some completion. Okay, there is some completion going on in your life. I told you in the main reading also, you can have a look on that you're completing some kind of cycle. The World card is there. And there is personal growth. Any other message? Wow. Wow, literally wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having domestic harmony. Okay. Why I'm saying it? There is spiritual career and there is spiritual partnership. So you are getting some kind of spiritual partnership too. Okay. There is spiritual career and there is spiritual partnership. Compassion is there. Okay. Then there is healing. Okay. And there is new beginnings too. Again, this message has come because you're completing a karmic cycle. So new beginnings are happening for you, Aquarius. Beautiful messages for you today. I love the messages. And the numbers that can be important for you are 6, 7, 6, 7 and 9. 6, 7 and 9. That can be an important number for you. Okay, that some of you, that can be an important number. Okay, 6, 7 and 9. Yes. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Guide. Just wait and watch, and love is all around. 1616 was the recording reading time. Okay, love is all around. Just wait and watch. Okay, let me see. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important for my lovely Aquarius. Beautiful message. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message for Aquarius? Any other message? Help me out to deliver. Is there any other message? Lots of animal spirit messages, and I'm taking lots of message because they were not saying me stop. Now they said me stop, so I stop it. Okay, porcupine spirit, time for beginner's mind. There is something in which there is beginning happening for you. You have a time right now for beginner's mind. Okay, time for beginner's mind. There is bad girl spirit, be fearless and bold, Aquarius. Again, the message has came that you need to be more fearless and bold. Mouse spirit, tend to the small things. Okay, tend to the small things. Parrot words, watch your words. Watch your words. Okay. Bobcat spirit, life is a mystery. Okay. Then there is sandpiper spirit, be playful. So life is a mystery, just be playful, Aquarius. Okay, don't get so serious about the life. Okay, then there is owl spirit and there is crow spirit. You see clearly now and co-create with spirit. Okay, you are becoming more intuitive than before, Aquarius. Wolf spirit, turn knowledge into wisdom. Turn your knowledge into wisdom. Then there is canary spirit, sing your own song. Sing your own song, whatever song you want to sing. Bee spirit, sweet results are waiting. Sweet results await. Okay. Buffalo spirit, the abundance universe will provide. Yes, that's right. The abundance universe will provide. Okay. Outer spirit, you are never alone, and that's very important message for you, that you are never alone, Aquarius. If you think, then don't think like that. Vulture spirit, nothing is wasted, and that's right. Whatever is happening for good reason, and nothing is going to waste it. Nothing is wasted. Turtle spirits, Slow and steady wins the race. Okay, Aquarius, please keep in mind that slow and steady wins the race. Rabbit spirit, now is a lucky time. Now is a lucky time and luck is on your side, Aquarius. Giraffe spirit, again the message has came. See the bigger picture. Okay, see the bigger picture. Focus on the bigger picture, Aquarius. Turkey spirit, give with gratitude and grace. Give with gratitude and grace. Rhino spirit, overcome any obstacle. Okay, you will overcome with any obstacle. I know that. Peacock spirit, let it shine. Let yourself shine from within yourself, Aquarius. Let it shine. Then there is snake spirit, time to heal. Okay, there is time to heal. Koi fish spirit, there is always enough. Okay, there is always enough. Then there is skunk spirit, know your worth. That's right, know your worth, Aquarius, what you deserve. Okay, know your worth is the message for you. And the butterfly spirit has come for you. So there is a butterfly spirit. Transformation is beautiful, and that's right, Aquarius. Transformation is beautiful. So thank you so much, animal spirits, for giving beautiful messages for you. Increase, there is an increase. Let me increase my brightness too. So yeah, there is an increase in your life, Aquarius, in every area of your life. Transformation again is there for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. Optimism. Okay, let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me what are the important messages which I need to deliver. Beautiful message, Aquarius. Family, 10 of Cups energy. You are going to receive your family. Okay, the milestone is there. Okay, so you are achieving some kind of milestone in creating 10 of Cups energy. The family, happily ever after family is there. And there is vast universe message. That means the universe is so big, Aquarius, and they are with you. You do not have to worry at all. Then there is a higher self. Okay, you are getting transformed into your higher self. Okay, let me see any other message. Help me out to deliver the message. Commitment. Okay, so commitment is coming your way. Okay, Aquarius, there is something in which you are getting commitment. Why I am saying that? Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having happy success and taking steps. You are taking steps, Aquarius, and that's why you are getting happy and you're getting your success. But there is some deception around you. Please take care of that thing. But do not worry, only there is one thing that there is not good for you. Other than that, there is loving woman and there is loving man. There is your divine counterpart. Why I am saying that? Because there is true love. This is your true love. Okay, trust on them, trust on universe, trust on divine. You both are made for each other. Okay, this is your twin flame. This is your divine counterpart. Okay, the loving man and the loving woman, both are there. The true love is coming towards you, and there is kindred partnership. Okay, this is your love of your life. Okay, beautiful messages from this deck. I love the energy and messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the Aquarius a beautiful message. Good luck is in your way. Okay, let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the message. There is something in which you are getting closure, Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the important messages. Psychic abilities. Yes, that's right. You're getting more intuitive than before. The third eye chakra is getting open for you, my lovely Aquarius. Beauty. Okay. You are looking yourself. You're getting more beauty of yourself. There is something in which the truth is coming. Okay, the truth is coming out. You are getting protection message for you. You are protected, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Okay. Any other message? Beautiful. There is something in which you need to do healing, Aquarius. Just forgive. Forgiveness is there. Okay, forgive yourself, forgive the other people, whoever has hurt you in any way. So forgiveness is there because the happiness and new beginning are there. Okay, new beginnings are waiting for you, and there is a card of happiness. So there are very good new beginning message is there in every deck for you. Any other message? Any other message? Wow. Inspiration, Aquarius. You're getting some kind of inspiration. Okay. Have some kind of courage, Aquarius. Courage card is there. Okay, and that's why I told you that some kind of reconciliation is there. This is your twin flame, your divine counterpart. Reconciliation is there. New beginning in love. Okay, love is there. New beginnings are happening in your love life, and some of you Aquarius are getting reconciliation with your divine counterpart. Beautiful messages. I love today's messages, Aquarius. These messages are very positive today. Okay, thank you so much, spellcasting, or for giving the beautiful message. Okay, let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? The union again is there. You are getting reconciliation. You just need to trust the divine, trust yourself. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important. Wow. Gratitude. Aquarius, always say thank you so much, God, for giving all those things. Be always thankful for whatever you are having in your life. So gratitude is there. Then there is love. Again, this message is there. And why I was saying wow, because divine timing is there. So there is something which you're getting. This is the divine timing in which you're getting the love. The divine timing has come. Okay, the love is there. Beautiful. That is written by the divine. You just need to work on your shadow self, because that is the reflection is there bottom of the deck. You need to work on your shadow self. Some of you has to work. Yeah, see, again bottom of the deck I'm having union. Adventure is waiting for you, Aquarius. You just need to do healing. Some kind of healing is required for you, Aquarius. Do your healing, complete your healing. Okay, because adventure is waiting for you. Any other message? Any other message? Help me out to deliver any other message. Wow, beautiful message. Celebration. Aquarius, some kind of celebration is there. Okay. Then there is listening and ancestors. Ancestor message is coming again and again in your reading in almost daily. You are having a blessings of your ancestors, Aquarius. You are not alone. Your ancestors are giving you blessings. Okay, they are looking towards you. Just listen. Okay, and there is listening message to listen to the birds, animal, nature. Just listen carefully and use your intuition, Aquarius. You are highly intuitive sign in all zodiacs. Okay, so use your intuitions carefully, Aquarius. Okay, that's the message for you from this deck. Thank you so much, Vintage Oracle, for giving the beautiful lovely messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what are the messages from the guides and close it out. Your reading, I love is your energy is the message. What are the messages? You are here for a reason, Aquarius. And if you don't know, I'm going to tell you that we are in the age of Aquarius. Okay, so God has given you birth in Aquarius sign in all zodiacs. So there is a reason, Aquarius. Okay, abundance is your right. Lead by example. Okay, what are the messages? Worry is a wasted emotion. That's right. Do not worry, Aquarius. Worry is a wasted emotion. Again, you are here for a reason. Okay, you understanding your body will tell you all, Aquarius. Okay, understanding your body, live your bliss. Okay, any other message? Know your truth. Okay, know your truth that you are abundant of everything. Know your worth, know your truth, Aquarius. Patience is a virtue. Everyone has a value. Okay, any other message? Accept struggles as lessons. And that's right, accept whatever struggle is happening is trying to teach you something. So learn the lesson and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Feel joy in all you do. Do whatever you want to do, Aquarius, but feel joy in whatever you are doing. Practice moderation. Eat healthy, Aquarius. Try as healthy as you can. Try to eat healthy as you can. Okay, learn from your mistakes. Follow the golden rule. Be of service. Have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, any other message? Express your feelings. Okay, express your feelings, Aquarius. Then there is thought create your reality. In the evening only I was using this message that thoughts create your reality. And that's right, that's called manifestation. So thoughts create your reality and trust your intuition. Again, this message is coming towards you from your guides, that trust your intuition. Your intuition will tell you everything. You are a highly intuitive person. Any other message? Let go of ego. Okay, let go of ego is a message for you. They're asking to stop. Okay, release toxic relationships as soon as possible, Aquarius. If you are still carrying on toxic relationships, release them. Release any toxic relationships if you are having in your life as soon as possible. Release toxic relationships. Okay, and love is your energy. Again, this message has come. Please remember this thing, that love is your energy. Just release toxic relationship. Love is your energy. Okay, so that was the messages from the guides. Thank you so much, guides, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely, beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate, you can skip it out, Aquarius. So these were your bonus love messages. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.